Domestic violence cases are often linked to intimate relationships, but this evening law enforcement says there's another side to the issue, with family disputes turning deadly. The issue was highlighted by the Force for Good podcast by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Romardo Lyons has the details.
It's often said that blood is thicker than water, but in many domestic cases locally, it's blood drawing blood. National Domestic Violence Intervention Liaison Officer, Deputy Superintendent of Police Jacqueline Dillon, says this goes against the widespread view that domestic cases are driven by romantic relations.
And sometimes we don't see the level of violence among family members. There was a case in a parish that spills over into another parish. And it started as a result of dead left land. You had 4 members in this parish from this side of the family who died. And then you have another 4 over here so who died. And so it was this tit for tat over dead left land that belonged to some great-great-grandparents who died, leave it, and it passed down.
And though death over land is bad, there are far worse circumstances. These involve food and money.
We have persons, brothers killing brother over $800, $500 and phone card and dumpling and all of those things.
And what are just family disputes sometimes turn into gang activities. How can this reality be addressed? Detective Sergeant Damian Hammond says,
I think what we have is a set of people who don't communicate well.
Yes, true.
Everything may pre. We don't seem to find out, what is happening, how we can assist with this situation instead of, I'm gonna do something. No, why are you doing that? What happened? We need to know. We just say, no, and we are going to mash it up.
And in terms of people making reports, both genders.
Even this week, we have had at least 3 to 4 men who have taken action and have gotten help.
Since the establishment of domestic violence support centers, there has been an increase in males stepping forward, saying they're victims of domestic violence.
The number of men who have come to us since the start of the year, if it continues on this trajectory, what we're going to find is that we're going to find a lot more men, probably as close to the number of women.
She went further.
They are victims of domestic violence in their relationship. We're not talking about alleged perpetrators. We're talking about persons who I am a victim, and the evidence supports that.
In the meantime, the JCF says last year was the first year Jamaica had a reduction in homicides around domestic violence. Despite that, there are 2 parishes where the issues remain a constant: Westmoreland and Clarendon. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.